Hi, I'm here today to help you again with your Introduction to Multiplication and Division Workbook. Today we are going to be working on the multiples of 2 input page. So make sure you're on the right page. So all the other pages in our workbook so far have been introducing new vocabulary or new ideas or new tools you can use in dealing with numbers. This one is just all about learning your 2's timetables. So we're going to start out doing that by working with a number line. When we multiply by 2, we need to do jumps of 2. So I'm going to start at 0 and jump 2 numbers to 2. And I'm going to label that with a 2 right there. And I'm going to keep doing that 10 times total. And that will get me to number 20. So I'm going to jump to 4, label it with a 2, jump to 6, label it with a 2, jump to 8, label it with a 2, jump to 10, label it with a 2, jump to 12, label it with a 2. I'm going to stop saying it, but keep going. Almost done. A few more jumps. There we go. So your number line should look like this. Perfect. Now that I have my number line done, I can skip count by 2's, which is another helpful way to learn your multiplication facts. So I can use my number line because wherever I landed on a jump is what I skip count by. So I landed on 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We stop at 10 because in 3rd grade you're responsible to go from to multiplying up to times 10. You could keep going. You could jump another 2, get to 22. That's multiplying by 11, 24, 26, 28. You can go as far as you want if that's what you like to do. Okay, now we have some arrays. Now remember, with our multiplication sentences, it's the number of rows first times the number of dots in each row. So our first array is 1 row of 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Looks like that. Our second array is 2 rows of 2. That equals 4. Next, 2 rows of 3 equals 6. 2 rows of 4 equals 8. 2 rows of 5 equals 10. 2 rows of 6 equals 12. 2 rows of 7 equals 14. 2 rows of 8 equals 16. 2 rows of 9 equals 18. And 2 rows of 10 equals 20. Okay, so that's the input page for multiples of 2. You are now ready to work on the output page. I'll see you next time.